It's been a while since I have done a food and wine pairing video, and I feel that last time I did one of these was around the holidays, and I was doing a whole series on holiday foods, and I was eating some really weird shit like candy canes and Jello salad and I don't even know what. So anyways, I wanted to kind of kick off this series again, but go back to the basics. And so for tonight, I am cooking up something that I make on the regular and is just a staple, and I am going to be grilling some salmon. So it's a big piece, it's sticking on the tray right now. Anyways, I'm gonna be grilling up the salmon and then tossing it with some pasta and pesto. It's gonna be delicious, but I get asked a lot, what's a really good pairing when you are pairing with fish? And really any whites, but I think it's important to note that when you are dealing with salmon, you're dealing with an oily fish. And so it's going to pair really nicely with your fuller bodied white wine, such as a Chardonnay, a Viognier, and a Marsanne from Southern France. I would say those would be my top 3 picks, but it's also important when you are doing food and wine pairings to really look at the sauce that you are serving and then pair your wine with that sauce. And so, as I was previously saying, I'm gonna be making a pesto for tonight. And so, while I could do the Chardonnay, Viognier, Marsanne route, I also want something that is, not too overpowering. And I also want it to have kind of some herbaceous notes to it. So I would go Gruner or a Sauvignon Blanc for this. And so I'm actually gonna open up a Sauvignon Blanc from the Yamhill Carlton AVA here in Oregon. And I think that's gonna be awesome with the salmon. But like I said, if you're just looking for the classic salmon pairing, Viognier, Chardonnay, Marsanne. But let's see how this goes. I'm gonna cook up the salmon tonight and I'll let you know in my stories how the pairing is. But I think this is gonna be a slam dunk with the Sauv Blanc, and that's it. Okay, have a good night, bye.